what's going on, everybody? Product Pros back at you with another knife review, and today we're looking at the newly released, well, at the time of this video, this is a newly released MTech cadmium-coated MT1022 knife. So, get your rainbow style blade. If you look right here at the handle, just a nice plastic black handle right here with your lanyard hole incorporated right here in the back. Flip it over. You do have a smaller belt clip, but it's not too beefy, so that divot right there will not fray your pocket as much. It sits super high on the knife, which I like a lot. So if you're looking for a more concealed type knife, you're definitely going to get it with this one because it's going to sit all the way down in the pocket like this. Now, this is an assisted opening knife. Well, it's actually spring assisted, but there is one cool thing about this knife, and I'll show you real quick. But let's check out this trigger. Bam! Throws it on up there pretty good. Let's get a close-up on that blade. Just a cadmium-coated blade right there. Standard drop point. It seems to be super sharp. Got your MTech logo with a standard straight blade right there. Now, right down here, you do have good finger grooves for your control right there. It actually fits in my hands rather nice. I know all hands are going to be different, but no jimpings right up there at the top, which I kind of wish they had. Little thumb grooves that you can, you know, with me, see how your hand's sliding? I wish they had some to maybe try to get more control of this knife. Now, to what makes this knife pretty cool is there is no liner lock, no lock back, no frame locks. So, this button right here that almost makes it look like a switchblade, boom, that's going to be your release to unlock that knife. So, we're throwing it up there. Ow! We're throwing it up there with the spring assist, and then we're closing it but just by pressing that button. It's called the ball bearing pivot system, which I actually like it. Now, one thing that I've been playing around with, and I hadn't got great at it, is if you hold this down, you can flip it open and then flip it back down. I'm trying to do it in camera. Boom. I'm getting, there we go. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit better at it. But, see, you can't really pull this thing out. You press that button. You've got it just like that. Open it that way, or open it this way. I almost had it that time. One more time. Boom. So, guys, that's it. Just a quick review on the newly released MT1022. I believe this is what this is. Let me double check before I tell y'all wrong. Yeah, 1022. So, guys, just a quick review on that. If you want to see a more in-depth review, be sure to go check out Product Pros. That's our other channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.